Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect the Verizon extender to the router. First, plug your Verizon Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet halfway between your router and the area where Wi-Fi is weak. Make sure it is placed in an open space and not inside a cabinet or behind thick walls, because that can weaken the signal. Now turn the extender on and wait a few minutes. During startup, the light will usually blink while it searches for a connection. Next, check the indicator light. If it is red or weak, move the extender closer to the router for a stronger signal before continuing. Now connect your phone or laptop to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. The network name and password are usually printed on the label on the back or bottom of the device. Once connected, open a browser on your device. The setup page should automatically appear. If it does not, simply open a new tab and try refreshing once while still connected to the extender network. Now follow the on-screen setup process. You may be asked to sign in or confirm your device type before continuing. After that, select your main home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Make sure you choose the correct router name. Now, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. Double-check for capital letters or special characters, because incorrect passwords are a common reason setup fails. Click Connect and wait a few moments while the extender syncs with your router. This may take 1 to 3 minutes depending on signal strength. Once the connection is successful, the light on the extender will turn solid, showing a stable link between the router and extender. Now you can rename the extender Wi-Fi network if the setup allows it, or keep the default name so it is easier to identify. Finally, move the extender slightly if needed for better coverage. The best location is usually halfway between the router and the weak signal area, where it still receives a strong signal but extends coverage further. Now test it by connecting your phone or laptop to the extender network and checking browsing speed, video streaming, or downloads to confirm everything is working properly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.